Hi guys, we are day 3. I don't even know what day it is, vlogging. We're heading down to, I'm not sure, we're going to Glacier Waters.
Yes.
But I don't know where we are, actually.
I'm gonna get some nice GoPro shots
We're
down here.
still in Alberta at the campsite, but you guys should see this view. Film me, mama. It is so beautiful here. Oh my goodness. Look at their mountains are right there. And apparently these are glacier waters, which means they're very, very cold. I want to go test it out. So you guys let me know. I know I said this in yesterday's vlog, but let me know if you guys like this quality better for the vlogs, because I'm still vlogging with the Canon. Well, I thought you just jumped in. But at the showers yesterday, we found plugins. So I did plug in the JVC for only a little bit because it was very dead. So when this one dies, we will go back to the JVC. So, there's lots of rocks here. I really want to go feel this water. Hopefully I don't drop the camera or drop myself. I'm almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there. Ready? Let's feel these waters. Oh yeah, they're cold. But it's so clear. And they said watch out for bears here. That's how clear I'm looking at right now. And Dalton just put the GoPro in that water, so we're gonna switch to those clips right now.
Cool. I put it in, I was throwing rocks in ahead of it.
There's a big spider here. Oh my god! He's like, has fangs and he's pointing his fangs at me, Dalton.
I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Yeah, hold on to it like this. And then just want to throw it sideways. Just like this. That one was too thin.
Cold water.
Cold water.
Cold water.
Glacier cold.
Throw it sideways.
Well, there's the glaciers up there that feeds it. It takes lots of practice.
Yeah, I still can't do it.
No, that one wasn't very good. It was too curved.
They're just tossing them in.
Here.
Woo!
That was a big one.
Oh, Shay, come on, baby. You get rid of that?
It looks like Turbo.
It does look a
Doesn't
lot
it look like
Turbo?
Turbo?
There's lots of streams and stuff out here. I've been doing a lot of underwater GoPro shots with the streams. They're really cool. I hear a bullfrog right now, croaking away. You hear him, Drew? Oh, what's that? No, he's not making any noise because we're too close. Oh, there he was. You hear him?
You can drink this soda.
You can drink this soda. Is it good? The best water you'll ever taste, guys.
Good.
hike here down a different path and to the waterfall that you guys just saw.
Cannon's dead.
Cannon's dead, the JVC is just about dead, but we still have charge on the GoPro.
I was so happy I actually went up there. We didn't get vlog yet, but
We vlogged, or no, I didn't vlog, I guess, when Sam came up there,
yeah,
but
so just like
all the shots that I took up on top of the waterfall there, we brought her up there, and then Shaylin came up and Drew came up to check it out too. And how cool was it up there, Drew?
Good.
Good? It was kind of scary.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was a little scary.
No.
It was a little like.
And I tried climbing the thing.
And then Drew went rock climbing.
On moss.
On moss, yeah. That was cool. So we're heading back to the truck now, and then we are probably gonna head back to the Jimmy and head home because it is getting late and we gotta get back and get the animals. We got about a 7-hour trip ahead of us. So thank you guys for coming along on this adventure with us.
Yay.
And we will see you whenever we see you.
Look at how many are like right here, you guys.
Oh, look at the baby.
What if they try to run at me?
Oh, there's a little baby right there.
Oh my gosh.
That is so cool.
I can hear them eating. He's looking at me. So we're at this place that people are raving about called Peter's Drive-In. Some of you guys told us to go here when I mentioned it, where we're eating in Calgary.
It's raining like crazy.
It's crazily raining. The drops are so big. Not as big as like 5 minutes ago, but still it's coming down quite hard. And this drive-through splits. Like these cars that we're in are going around this bend there, but you can also go around there.
Is there a difference between the two sides? I doubt it.
Yeah, probably not. But that's crazy. There's probably like 20 plus people in the drive-thru right now. But we made the drive safe from the campsite to Calgary, and then it's just Calgary to home.
Which is all flat.
So it's gonna be kind of boring, but we had such a good time.
Oh, it was awesome.
It was an amazing time. But I can't wait to get back to Shibzi and Coop.
Yeah.
But we did have such a good time. It was amazing.
And the poor guys, we're leaving again in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
For the same amount of time.
It's funny because we pulled in here because I was reading like where to eat. You guys also recommended it for us. So we're like, yeah, let's go there. And
yeah,
then
let's try it.
I was talking to my dad, and as we pulled in, my dad's like, you guys should try this really good 50s diner. It's on this street. It looks like a 50s diner, he said. It seems to be really good. Like, people love it.
What's the difference between these drive-thrus? Why is nobody going to that side?
I don't know. So we're here and it's at my window. So he ordered, because we're at the split, we're at the other side of the place, and it smells so good in there. There's people working so hard. Hi guys, so we stopped for gas and then we went to that Peter's Drive-In place. I'll show you guys their small fries, okay? Small fries. This, bigger than my head, is their small fries. Just saying. And that guy, there's a guy there who was asking for change for money, or sorry, for food. So I'm gonna go grab him my $5 because that's like literally all the change I have. Camera's dying, so I don't know if we'll be able to vlog anymore today, but we are in Calgary on our way home and hopefully I can upload some videos. Thank you guys so much for watching our vlogs today. I love you guys, but we will end the vlog hopefully, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching these vlogs. This fell off this semi.
Holy.
In Saskatchewan, there's like wildfire warning and it's so smoky back at home. Apparently it's completely unbearable to even breathe. So, and we're still in Alberta. We're 5 hours away from home and it's already smoky.
Well, it's been for at least an hour already, so.
I don't know if you guys will really catch it on the camera, but it's very faint right now. See if you can see out.
I can tell on the viewfinder.
It's all blurry right now. There. See, that's how smoky it is out there right now. Oh my goodness.
I can only see probably 10K.
So, if this camera has a little bit more life in it, we'll show you guys when we get closer to Saskatchewan. But some places, like we told you in a last vlog, have been evacuated and just closed down. So we're hoping we can actually use the highways to get all the way home.
We'll be fine to make it home.
And it's safe. So, love you guys and stay safe.
feel his teeth on his tongue?
No.
Yeah, you feel his teeth. Feel it. Just touch it. Don't pull.
On his tongue?
Yeah. Once you go in, you're never coming